The DFP400BP barcode printer enclosure acts as a housing station to keep your barcode printer running smoothly by keeping airborne debris from entering and damaging your printer hardware. The features of this enclosure includes a removable front door and a bifold door that opens from the side wall, giving the user full access to the barcode printer for easy label changes and printer maintenance. The DFP400BP series has the ability to house numerous barcode printer options. The enclosure also includes an opening for cables for easy organization. Place screws and openings on the stop. Line screws up on the enclosure and lightly screw them in with your hand. Screw in the rest of the way with a screwdriver or drill. Hand screw in the bolts. Use the wrench to hold the bolt in place while drilling the screws in to tighten them together. Our industrial tough ABS construction works great with wireless networks, and all of our enclosures come with a 5-year warranty. Don't see what you're looking for? Give us a call at 800-775-7611 or email us at sales@dustfreepc.com. We will work to build a custom enclosure for your specifications.